In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate an online travel booking platform efficiently using Google. Whether you're planning a vacation or booking a last-minute business trip, it's vital to navigate these sites with ease and efficiency, and that's precisely what we'll help you do today. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other that you regularly use. Once you're there, type in Expedia.com in the search bar at the top of your screen. You should see the familiar blue logo once the page loads. Now you might wonder why we're focusing on Google in our title when we're on Expedia. Well, Google is a powerful tool that connects us to almost everything on the internet, including travel platforms like Expedia. So while our journey begins in Google, we'll be navigating through Expedia to get you ready for your next trip. Now that we're on Expedia's homepage, you will notice a variety of options that include flights, hotels, car rentals, and even bundled packages. But before diving into exploring all these fantastic travel deals, there's a crucial step we need to take care of, particularly if you're viewing from a non-English speaking country or if your browser isn't set to your preferred language. Let's change the language settings to ensure you have the most seamless experience. Direct your attention to the upper middle part of the screen. Do you see a small flag icon there? This icon controls the language settings on the platform. It's easy to miss if you don't know where to look, but once you've found it, give it a click. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a variety of language options. Here, simply select your preferred language from the list. For example, if you want the site in Spanish, just click on Español, and the entire platform will automatically switch to your selected language. And that's it. You're all set to start browsing for flights, hotels, and more, all in the language that suits you best. Changing the language setting is a small step, but vital for those who prefer or need to navigate in a language other than the default. Remember, these steps will help you make your booking experience on Expedia as smooth and personalized as possible. You now know how easy it is to change your site language preferences directly from the homepage. Navigating a platform like Expedia, effectively using Google as your gateway, can transform your travel planning from a chore to a breeze. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to dive into planning your next adventure with confidence and ease. Thanks for tuning in and happy travels.